Welcome to LAYLA, a global marketplace for semiconductor parts and equipment. This video will show you how to do the bulk registration on LAYLA as a seller. First, what is bulk upload? Bulk upload allows you to get all your items listed in one go rather than having to post them one by one. If you already hold your item data on an Excel sheet or a similar format, a simple copy-paste and a couple clicks will have your product information up on LAYLA in a matter of minutes. Our customer support team is always happy to help you reformat your data if needed. Afterwards, managing all your data on LAYLA is also done through the bulk registration function, as from the platform you can download a spreadsheet of all your listed items, edit the sheet, and upload it again to update your listings on the platform. The process is divided into two parts: product information bulk registration and product image bulk registration. You will need to complete both parts to have your item successfully listed. First, click on My LAYLA. On the left-hand side, under the Seller menu, click on Product Information Bulk Registration. Next, click on the highlighted Bulk Product Registration Guideline before you register to make sure all the steps are carried out accurately. Click on the highlighted link named Product Bulk Listing Procedures link. You can find manuals on how to do bulk uploads in this section of the platform. At section 7.2, you can download the template that you will be using to do the bulk upload for the first time. Download the file named LAYLA Bulk Upload Template and save it to your desktop. Next, check and fill out all necessary information. First, open the bulk upload template file you just downloaded and scroll horizontally to view all the elements displayed in the template. Take a look at the yellow shaded columns. They are mandatory fields, so be aware of all the required information. However, you may always place hyphen or unknown in case you lack these details. Don't forget to check all the sheet tabs for categorized information: description, category, MST country. You will find additional information on what each column means by looking at the description sheet. The category sheet will assist you to categorize your items. Lastly, the country sheet has detailed country-specific information if you need it. Next, fill in all the necessary product information. If you have multiple entries that have similar specifics, copy-pasting and then editing details is a good way to proceed. Please be reminded that the more information you can provide, the better. Buyers prefer listings with detailed information. Take a look at the final list. Before starting the upload, you can upload up to 2,000 items in one go. If you have more than this, please do the upload in separate files. Once you have input all the data information you wish to upload, save the file in CSV UTF-8 format on your desktop. It is important that you make sure to change the format to CSV file for the upload to be successful. Also remember, do not edit the information on the CSV format. Whenever you wish to make changes, you need to do them in Excel format and then save the file again as a CSV file. Editing the data on CSV might make the upload unsuccessful. Now that you have saved the file, close it and return to your LAYLA page to do the upload. Click Product Information Bulk Registration from Seller menu. Tick Leave the first line blank for space of headline. This is to exclude the column headers in the template. Click Browse to select the right file to upload. Select your CSV file and click Open to register. The bulk upload will now start. You will be notified through email once the upload has been completed. This should only take a few minutes. In case the bulk upload was unsuccessful, you will receive an email that will indicate the erroneous or lacking information sections. Edit or add lacking data and try again. If the bulk upload result notification is not sent within 20 minutes, please contact LAYLA customer support team. Next, you will need to upload images to go with the item listings you have just posted. Open the image file comprising your item images. The SKU codes will connect your images to the correct listings. If you have multiple photos for a single listing, separate the photos with an underscore and sequence number. The file should be uploaded in zip format. Now go back to LAYLA page and click on Product Image Bulk to upload images in bulk. Press the Browse button to upload the image file. In our experience, it is best to keep the file size below 400 megabytes to make successful uploads. If you have a substantial amount of photos, please split the file and do the upload in parts. Select the image file you want to upload and press Register. Once the product image file is uploaded, a result notification will be sent to your email. If If you are uploading more than one file, please wait for the first notification email to come before you proceed to upload the second file. Now you have successfully registered the item information and photos in bulk. To check all the new listings, go to your Sellers menu and click on Search Registered Items. Scroll down and click on Search. This way, you can see all your listings in chronological order. Click any item listing you wish to check. The photos should also be visible as you scroll down. That's it! Congratulations! You have finished your product information and image bulk registration on LAYLA. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our team is always more than happy to provide you with any assistance you might need.